Yeah, that's my LB.
Louis Vuitton, no?
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton, yeah.
Magandang quality.
Oh, Star Hill Gallery. Yes.
Really nice place here.
Nice view, yeah. Good.
Yan ang dito talagang original na Citibank.
Public bank, eh. Yeah.
Yan, Citibank. Kasi Bombay yun eh.
Parang hay.
Piccolo Hotel. Oh! You know, Piccolo Hotel.
Ano ngayon?
Train. Train.
That train.
Yeah.
LRT.
Yeah.
LRT.
Pop.
Huh?
There. Pop. City train. It's a pop, very expensive.
No, really.
If you want to go chat, must stand by one person around 80 or
Really?
30 ringgit.
Shit. It's expensive, huh?
Yeah.
Musik terbaik.
Tagilid yung box oh. Baka mabasag.
What box?
At the left side. Is that box?
Yeah. We're now driving at the Kuala Lumpur City with Rizal and the guys over there.
Hey, say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, my man.
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
This day you saw the Twin Tower by own bare eyes.
Oh, I think so.
Somebody told us it was only a dream.